My name, Hari-kirtana, is proof that Sanskrit is a very efficient language. People often ask me, what does your name mean and how did you get it? For starters, Hari is the name of Krishna, the speaker of the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna has many different names according to his different qualities and activities and relationships. The name Hari specifically means he who removes darkness and sorrow from the hearts of his devotees. The name Hari also sounds like Howie. I moved into a bhakti yoga ashram when I was 21 years old. My parents named me Howard, so around the ashram, I was known as Bhakta Howie. I was also really into kirtan, the musical form of mantra meditation that's practiced as call and response chanting. After living in the ashram for a while, I decided that I wanted to take formal initiation as a disciple of a guru, and my initiating guru took the name Howie, put it in front of kirtan, and added the word Das, which means servant, in order to come up with my name. Hari-kirtana Das, the servant of the congregational chanting of the names of the one who removes sorrow and darkness from the hearts of his devotees. That's my name, and that's how I got it. What does your name mean? And what does your name mean to you? Please share in the comments.